Dual power outlet in-wall cable management system for wall-mounted flat-screen LED, LCD, and plasma televisions. This kit includes 2 power outlets for mounting either 2 TVs or 1 TV and 1 audio-visual accessory such as a soundbar. The included in-wall 6-foot Romex cable and power cord are both code compliant. Does not include HDMI cables or other low-voltage audio-visual cables. Does not include PowerConnect cable found in Powerbridge One-CK or 2CK. No more messy cables hanging down the wall between the TV and the floor. No electrician needed, snap-together installation. Professional version kit. This system allows for wall-mounted TVs to hide low-voltage cables and wires routed behind the wall for a clean look. Compatible with all TVs including Samsung flat plug power cords. Compatible with all types of low-profile wall mounts. Included recessed wall mount plates are hidden behind flat-screen TV mount and should work with the thinnest TV mounts and thinnest TVs on the market. Top reviews from the United States. Great for wall-mounted TV install. I have used these a number of times and have found this manufacturer to deliver a sturdy, easy-to-use product. Make sure that you follow the directions closely as you could miss a step, like threading the wire through the right piece in the right direction, that will create frustration and challenge downstream in the install. For those that are wanting a great option for precisely location outlet and also need a cord pass-through solution, this is your best bet.